Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we got our first mod. It's not really a mod, but it's more of a correction to fix the subframe, the rear subframe, the cracking issue. So we got the complete kit. Let's take a look at it. It's from bimmerworld. Comes with stickers. It's my receipt. And we got the full bimmerworld e46 subframe chassis reinforcement kit. You can see it comes with a bunch of pieces. We're gonna get this mounted. This is going to be our first. Oh, look at that. Wait a minute. What is this? We got gummy bears. Cool. That's it. So this is gonna be our first addition to the BMW. I'm gonna try to record, but I'm getting it done at a shop. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record, but we'll see what I can get for you guys. But that's about it. Short video, quick video. Just give you a quick update. This is the first item that we're gonna put on the BMW. Then we got plenty of other goodies for it. We're gonna be ordering headers, bunch of bushings. Once I get all those, I'll update you guys. Have a good day. Peace.